Hello, welcome to SQL tutorial series from zero to hero. In this entire video series, I've tried to cover all the important concepts in SQL right from beginning to the advanced. Purposely, I'm trying to make videos as small as possible, covering all the important concepts in SQL. Before we move ahead, let's try to understand from where we can download SQL setup files. In order to download the SQL setup file, you can click on this link. I'll paste this link in the description of this video for quick reference. Once you click on this link, this will redirect you to this page. And you can click on this button to download your SQL Server file. In this entire video series, I will be covering Microsoft SQL Server 2016. Once you download and install SQL Server setup file, you can click on the program files and type SSMS. SSMS stands for SQL Server Management Studio. You can click on this. Once you open the client, you need to connect to SQL Server, and there are several ways you can connect to SQL Server. First way is you can use start and click on connect. This will connect to your local DB server. Another way, you can write local in parentheses. You can see we got connected to local server. Another way is you can explicitly specify the server name. For that, you can click on browse for more, click on database engine, and you can select your server name. If you have hosted your database on the cloud, then you can use IP address to connect to your database server. In order to understand what server name and version of SQL Server am I using, I can write @ server name and @ version. This will give me server name and version of my SQL Server. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.